My name is Dimitri Ledkov, and I'm a senior principal engineer here at Chainguard. In my university years, I had a MacBook and I had to write equations and it didn't work. And then people said that I should install Emacs, so I installed Emacs. And then people told me to use TechLife, so I installed TechLife. And then I started to do my equations and things were working, but some things were broken. And when there was something broken, I would try to fix it. Next thing you know, I'm packaging different EFI bootloaders for macOS to make sure Ubuntu boots nicely with macOS. And then later on, I'm like, okay, well, I finished my studies. I am an electronics engineer, but I keep fixing things in Ubuntu and open source, and I already have lots of contributions. And then before I know it, I am in a Linux consultancy helping other people fix their Linux installations because things keep breaking and I keep fixing them. Fast forward, I changed jobs, built 4 operating systems. Now I'm in Chainguard building yet another operating system. So it kind of snowballed from the fact that something was broken and then I would fix it over and over again. My hobby became my job. It's not that I chose to be an engineer. It's just I like computing, I like fixing things, and here I am. When things get tough and there are lots of deadlines, lots of escalations, SLAs are at risk of being breached. I'm like, I do what I can, but I also know that I cannot do everything, right? And sometimes you do need to step away from the keyboard. And when you step away from the keyboard, I go to a tennis court and whack lots of tennis balls against opponents, and they don't know what's coming at them. That's why quite often if I win decisively with lots of aces and lack of any emotions, and just I don't care who's on the other side of the net. It's a type of punch bag situation for me. That is a very relaxing time, even though it seems like a stressful situation, but it's a different type of stress, so it helps me. The most interesting thing at Chainguard is the diversity of tools, technologies, and platforms that I get to work with, as well as the huge diversity and range of engineers, colleagues, and customers. Like every day when there is a new prospect, they want FIPS with brand new technology protocol that have never experienced FIPS before, and I'm like, okay, let's go, let's do this, it's possible. They're like, but it doesn't exist, how can you make it so? And I'm like, I've contributed to every single TLS implementation out there, including the proprietary ones. I have code everywhere, I can do it, that's fine. And they believe me, and then we make great things. Right?